Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on REALME GT 70. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in REALME AI and click search. And then click install. Now click open and click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back, then go back again and click start. And as you can see right here, there's my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.